take a look at the WORKPRO 10-piece 3/8" drive Crowfoot flare nut wrench set. Oh, look at that. Oh, cool. Interesting. So, it actually has this little tray, so if we wanted to, we just throw that thing right in our toolbox. We have a nice display for this flare nut wrench set. It does also have this 3/8 rail, so we could put it in just like that as well. We can see that these are 3/8 drive. This is 19. This is the largest size in this set, which is probably going to be the largest size you're going to want for a 3/8" drive anyway. But the biggest thing that makes this difference than a regular Crowfoot is a Crowfoot just comes straight out, whereas this one's got this little tooth there on the end. So what that's going to do is it's going to allow us to get a better bite on that fastener to help prevent rounding it off. It's also going to help to make sure that we're locked on so we don't accidentally start sliding it off and then round off that fastener. So if you're working on something that you actually care about, this flare nut style is the better route to go. The standard straight Crowfoots are better if you're looking for speed. This is better if you're looking for reliability. For me, this is the style I want to use just because if I'm going to be using a Crowfoot wrench, I'm probably already working in a spot that's difficult to deal with anyway, so I don't want to be rounding off that fastener. It has a nice thick jaw, so we're going to have a lot of contact, so that's a very good thing. And although this doesn't have any slots cut in on the drive spot for a detent, it does still hold on no problem. So for getting in on objects, especially where I got to go around a tube or something like that, like on a transmission line, this is going to be the exact style that you want to get. Just like that. Very cool. And we can see we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So no skips between 10 and 19. So very complete set. So yeah, overall, I am very happy with that.